High-temperature alloys are tough, but Millstar's HNC coating is tougher. Millstar's groundbreaking HNC coating takes toughness and heat resistance to new levels. An evolution of our proven HSN coating, HNC is a multi-layer hybrid nano coating applied with state-of-the-art technology for the highest possible adhesion rate. This versatile coating outperforms the competition on tough-to-machine, unheat-treated or heat-treated materials up to 72 HRC. Millstar's HNC coating offers an optimal combination of friction coefficient, hardness, and oxidation temperature, versatility of use with inserts or solid carbide tools, excellent performance with high-temperature alloys. HNC provides key benefits to your machining operations: improved surface finish, greater accuracy with consistent extended runs, excellent chip evacuation, reduced tool inventory by eliminating the need for different coatings, longer tool life, reduced downtime from tool changes for chipped or worn cutters. Millstar's HNC coating, tough enough to handle your toughest machining challenges.